Alright guys, I'm picking up this video where we left off on the last one. We're here at Islamorada Sandbar and we're gonna park up. Guys, looking, it's 10:30 in the morning. There's hardly anybody here, but look, Ozzy's here.
Who's that?
Ozzy with the Paramount. He's right next to the flag. He's setting up.
Hey, yo, that was funny. I was up in my second rope though.
Oh man, what a beautiful day. Let's park up. We're gonna be using the push poles to dock up. Look at the fish right there, guys. You guys can see it on camera. Look at this beautiful Paramount, guys. Definitely very, very, very pretty. Oof.
The extra large version of that.
Yeah, exactly. The bigger brother of the Paramount. Gorgeous. All the boats showing up little by little. Thing's gorgeous. Love this boat right here. Here's the man of the hour. Everybody here is waiting for this guy right here. Ever since I left Miami, I'm like, I'm going to Tiki because I want a cheeseburger, bro.
I told Devin, I said, I'm bringing snacks. What are we going to eat? He said, a hamburger. Cheeseburger. He's got two of them now.
Yeah, he has two. He's upgrading, bro. Business is good, bro. And he got a little bit of competition at the end, too.
I saw a hot dog thing, but nobody wants that.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's like...
Now they got this shit, bro. It's just wants that.
No, yeah. There's no comparison.
Try. You got an A for effort, but you're failing hardcore.
Yeah. Like, the only way you're going to be able to compete if you have, like, a badass looking...
Yeah.
Like, you got to, like, outdo him.
Yo, but they do ceviche, bro, but you can't grab it. It goes fast as fuck.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Super fire.
I'm excited now.
Notice that guy's top. Should work, you know? What? Top.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Whatever works, works, bro.
You gotta make it happen. You gotta make it happen.
Time to get some burgers, guys. I am starving. What's going on, guys? There's my dad, everybody. Wet foot pilot. Touch and go. Yeah, for another little low pass. That thing's fun because you can open up the canopy, like you can open up both windshields. So it's like the wall is up to here. So it's like you're hanging out, like it's cool as hell. Super cool. That's a kid play. Like you can buy it made if somebody built it. But they come in boxes. They come in kits. You gotta piece it together. You gotta piece it together and paint it however you want. And he built that plane to match the cigarette.
Oh yeah.
Remember the red and white cigarette? That was the matching plane that we had. He built both at the same time. I don't think he wants to stop. I think he's just gonna keep on going. There he goes. Sandbar, little by little, is getting packed.
Little by little.
Little by little. It's still not as packed as you would think on a Labor Day weekend.
Oh, no.
There you go, guys. That's what life is about.
Oye, recoge el motor. Yeah, bro. Damn, dude, my jacket. There you go. Coming in hot.
You're off?
Yes, if we can.
They're flipping them around. Oh yeah, VIP service.
Hey, no. Doesn't get better than this.
Black motors only. I think it's that time of the day. Time to go for a little island, a little sandbar walk around. Let's go, see what we see. I like that pink one. That gray one is like my boat. I like those pink accents a lot. Kind of want to do something like that to the checkmate. Comment down below what you guys think. That looks beautiful. So if you guys see me muting the audio, it's because I don't want to get copyrighted. So look at this setup. Jet ski with the speakers, barbecue cooler, living his best life. Cheers. The setup right there, guys. Everybody's having a good time here at Islamorada Sandbar. This is how Islamorada Sandbar looks on Labor Day weekend. Look at this beautiful lake and bay. Nardo gray with the pink accents and a 450R. I saw it from way over there. I'm like, I gotta go see it. What's up, bro? What's up, man? But anyway, you got but you got plenty of power to.
No, bro. Actually, runs good with everybody in it.
Yeah.
It's 75, 80, 75, 80.
And today's a great day for it.
Here, 75 over here. Nice.
It might be, maybe like in 2 years it's worth something.
You're good, yeah. Remember? Yeah. Just a little bit of water in there sometimes.
What's up?
Appreciate it, man.
Nice. You guys have Instagram?
I do.
You look up Boat Vibes and tag me on that picture.
Okay.
All right, thanks, bro. You too, man. I'll see you guys soon, bro. Soon, hopefully. I want to get my boat back in the water ASAP. This is just my opinion. This is the second nicest boat in the Sandbar right now. The first one was that pink Lake and Bay, gray and pink, and this is the second. Tony, I just gotta tell you my opinion. My opinion. You have the second nicest boat in the Sandbar today.
What you see?
Second. The first one is the gray and pink Lake and Bay with the 450R.
Yeah, that's nice.
Okay, that's the first one for me. It's a 21 Lake and Bay, gray with pink accents, pink motor.
Hey, but if you're riding that and you fuck up, you're dead. And this one you at least look kind of full and you got a shitload of.
But that's why this is my second favorite.
Hey,
if I can have both, I look.
I'm a Lake and Bay fan. I love that fucking boat. That boat right there, hands down to it. I love it.
Yeah, bro.
That's a bad bitch.
Yeah. Always. You gonna park up or no? Oh, you got the push. I'm here trying to get you and guide you in, and you got the freaking push pull. Yeah, I was gonna guide you in. Love your boat, man. This is the first day I saw it. This is the first time I saw it. I told you, I'm like, I love it. Perfect. Just because of the seats, though. The seats definitely do it for me.
See, I'm gonna paint this deck the color of my seat,
Okay.
and then the blue I showed you. Right?
Yeah, you showed me that blue.
Once I get all that bonito seat, I'm gonna put seat deck on the side. I'm gonna put use low key on the side, inside the gunnel.
Yeah. Saw him, he's beached. He's beached already. The Everglades.
Yeah, he's done.
Ya se quedó ahí el día entero.
He's done.
All day. Start drinking. Start drinking.
Oh, he's done. He's asleep. He might cut this camera out.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I gotta see that crab. You grabbed that with your own hands?
No, I put that on my lap.
I'm like, dog. Hey, yo, I thought that he pulled that crab out of the sandbar. I'm like,
so too.
Oh shit.
I thought so too. I was like, damn.
Sam, I need shoes. Sandbar's definitely getting good. Just walking around with the damn crab.